Are you planning, or already started SIP? Important points every individual should consider before taking SIP investment for long-term. 1. Regular or direct. You should select only direct plan, as the regular fund has a higher expense ratio due to the commission and brokerage involved. The NAV of the regular schemes is generally lower than the direct plan since there is no commission or brokerage in direct plans. Returns. Direct plans offer higher returns due to a lower expense ratio than regular funds. Can I switch my SIP from regular to direct? Yes. You can change your mutual fund from a regular to a direct plan. However, since this switch is considered as the redemption of one scheme and new investment to the other, via direct plan, there are certain expenses that you will have to incur during the process. 2. Dividend or growth plan. You should select only growth option. The NAV of growth option will always be higher than the dividend option because the profits reinvested in the growth option may grow in value over time. The total returns of growth option are usually higher than dividend option over sufficiently long investment horizon due to compounding effect. 3. Are you exit from SIP if market is down because of fear? If you are investing for long term, you should not exit from SIP due to fear, or market down, not at all. That's the biggest mistake anyone would do. The idea of an SIP is to invest regularly in different intervals of market behavior. You invest a fixed sum when the market is going up or down. The good long-term CAGR will depend on how strongly you stayed invested when the market had fallen. This will help you in averaging your NAV and yield way better returns when the markets bounce back. Don't keep all your money in mutual funds. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Putting all your money in one sector, or even putting all of your money into a certain risk level of investments can be risky. Diversifying a portfolio can help reduce risk by spreading out the investment into multiple stocks, sectors, or investments. 5. Term insurance should be mandatory, even if you started SIP. 6. Health insurance is compulsory, even if you started SIP. If you not follow the mentioned 6 points, you should follow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more informative videos.